Hey guys, it's Carl the Pink Cupcakes, and today... oh wait, come on. Yes, it's what you think it is. I'm gonna be eating it. Okay. I've already tried it, and not to be weird you guys out, but it's actually good. Like, honestly, truthfully, it's good. Okay, ready? Oh. Let's see how many people gag because of this. Look at this. Okay. It's good. Most people would think, ew, gross, it's a mealworm, but it tastes like peanuts. It has a nice crunch. Well, this is a weird video. Don't forget to keep your candles lit, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!